Little dude, may I presume. And it's the monster crawling out of its hiding place. Rawr. There it goes back in. Let's explore. Where's the monster? There he is. What was that? Jumped off the side of the couch. Right. Upper view of these animals with laughing. A leg sticking out. What's under here? It's an Emmet monster! Ah! Tequila monster. Cutie pie.